Hello everyone, my name is Simmi. I've completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication. I would like to share my experience with Evision Technoserve. I had a wonderful experience with Evision Technoserve and I'm very grateful for the training that they have provided. So the course covered crucial areas like networking, ITIL, CCNA, etc. and each topic was taught in very clear and step-by-step manner. The teachers that were taught us, the professors were very experienced and knowledgeable, and they made sure that everything explained in simple words.